So come in. We've got Garrett's car here. He brought the car to us for spark plugs replace and oil change. And here we've got Alex's car. By the way, he's behind the camera. So he came for an oil change, and also we're doing a coolant tank upgrade. He bought an aluminum billet coolant tank, because this is one of the most common problems on the F90s. The stock ones, they start leaking and leak on top of the injectors, getting the injectors damaged, and that can damage your engine as well. Here as well we have a Sergio's car, the blue F10. This is not being built by us, but he came for spark plugs and a battery replacement. On the right here we have an F10 M5, which it's in for an engine rebuild, a stock engine rebuild, nothing crazy. Here on the right we have a Zani's car, which is one of our builds, a big build. We built the car like a year and a half ago, but it's in now for a fueling system upgrade. So we put a port injection on it, and we're waiting for the Motive Reflex, which wasn't available previously for F90, but now it's available, and here we will install that on the car. We've got Sergio's here.
Hello.
That is his beautiful F10. Yeah, we've just done a spark plugs and battery replacement. And here on the right we have a single turbo M2 with an M2 Competition with an S55 engine. So we built the engine, the turbo kit was fitted before we built the engine, and now the car is back in for its first oil change, and we'll retorque the cylinder head as well. On the ramp here we have an F10 M5, which is in for engine rebuild as well. Here we have Adam's M4, which is a very good project. I mean, nothing crazy, but he wants it like a truck car, more of a truck car. So he's got a Forged engine built with Italian RP rods and pistons. By the way, the other M2, it's we use Italian RP as well. Head studs, Ferrea springs. Here he's got a CSF Charge Cooler, upgraded charge pipes. We fit M5 Euro 5 injectors, which are upgrade for these cars. Spool Performance stage 3 low pressure fuel pump as well. You can see the map sensor. This is activating the second pump here. Also, now we are about to fit Infinity Auto Design intakes. Oh, I forgot to mention, the car is fitted with a TTH 650 turbos. So yeah, we're looking not for like a crazy power of 1000 bhp or something, but like 750 for a truck use. And yeah, what else? Let me show you. There we have our M4 drag project car, and today we have Raf from a poor man supercar. He brought his equipment here to 3D scan the headlight. On the right we used to have a Project Gamma headlight delete, but now we are trying to get something like more open than the Project Gamma. So yeah, he's in today to 3D scan that, and he already scanned the headlight, but yeah, now he's scanning the actual car just to make sure he will make this fit properly. And yeah, we just start that, we've just started our YouTube channel, so from now on you'll be able to see more interesting videos of our cars or friends' cars or project cars. So yeah, follow us, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.